Hi, I'm Steve Butcher. I was born and raised in West Auckland in New Zealand. I draw inspiration from everywhere, images, magazines. So you see like a badass photo or an image that you want to tattoo, you want to tattoo. When you get a certain image in your head or an idea, you're like, man, I have to tattoo that. It'd be so cool to do that. So I mean, like, I suppose just life. Yeah, life is kind of where I get my inspiration from. Well, like I put a lot of detail into my stencils because I want my tattoo to be super detailed. So, I mean, if you're following something, but the thing you're following is super basic, it's going to be a lot harder to do, you know, because there's not enough information for you to follow. You got to kind of make it up as you go along. When I make my stencils, I make sure there's all the information in the image so that I can make it look as real as possible. It's another important thing about solid areas of black. I mean, those edges of the teeth, they probably look fine, but you need to remember that if you've done those edges with a mag, that's going to get really soft really fast over time. So even if it looks sharp, like solid areas like lines, edges of the teeth that you want to be sharp and solid, you need to blast them in with either a liner or a round shader, because the saturation, again, is going to hold that line a lot sharper and a lot tighter than a magnum.